I get this feeling, I wanna run away. Hit the highway and never look back. I wanna watch it fade away in the rearview mirror. Won't get lost cause I've been really off track. Lately been running, but I've not been going anywhere. I've been hiding without being found. I've been loving, but not been feeling anything. Been standing still, the world keeps spinning around. But when I see you, you make me
Welcome to Wout of the World, and in this episode I'll take you to one of the most beautiful coastal towns in Western Australia and in all of Australia, because this here is Denmark. And in this video we'll be driving this awesome four-wheel drive camper with 2 rooftop tents by WA Experts.
In nearly half a year we drove the entire big lap around Aussie. Most recently you saw us on the east and south coast.
I get this feeling, I wanna run away. Hit the highway and never look back. I wanna watch it fade away in the rearview mirror. Won't get
We
lost
entered
'cause
the
I've
beautiful southwest region through Esperance,
lately been running, but I'm not
where we first caught a glimpse of the most beautiful coastline on Earth.
being found.
We spotted wildlife and continued west towards Albany.
Been standing still, the world keeps spinning around. But when I see you,
It was kangaroo paradise, and we discovered the history of the region at a whaling station.
when I see you, I know I'll be fine. You are my lifeline.
We now pick up where we left off, driving to Denmark next.
It's the golden hour again, and I don't mean the sun is going down, yeah, that too, but we also see a lot of kangaroos everywhere in the meadows. There's 2 over here that I'm gonna show you. So we camped out here in an area that can only be described as kangaroo paradise. After we saw those guys, we slept here under the stars in a beautiful place called Camp Kennedy, which is in the middle between Albany and Denmark. And this place is actually a Christian youth camp, but it's open for visitors, and we paid next to nothing to sleep next to the incredible beach, the blue waters, and there's a camp kitchen where we did some games, some puzzles. So it's really relaxed over here before we go to Denmark, and I'll show you this place and the beach.
We stumbled upon this place by accident, when a lot of campsites near Denmark were fully booked. However, it turned out to be a great choice. We have this peaceful nature spot all to ourselves, and they had superb Starlink internet.
It's movie night and we're watching Moana because we went to Fiji, and this movie is exactly like our experience there. We love Moana, right, Jens?
Yeah.
And you love Maui, don't you? Really awesome. It's like our holiday exactly.
In the morning we find the high-quality kitchen.
Coffee.
It's only a 30-meter walk from the car to the beach, and I'll show you why this place is truly paradise. Only in Western Australia you'll find beaches like this with not a single soul in sight. The beach is pristine and white, while the view of the ocean is breathtaking. The name is Perkins Beach. With the drone we see the remote location of Camp Kennedy in the purest nature. So what can we do here all day? Well,
He's been in almost 70 countries.
70! You're only 6 years old.
Yeah!
Three puzzles in a day. I think that's about it for today because I'm tired. Happy birthday to Mom. Happy birthday to Mom. Happy birthday, dear Suzy. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks, guys.
So let's go to a winery and drink some wine.
okay, maybe later, since it's only 9 in the morning.
The town of Denmark is very well known in Australia. Well, it's not even that big. It only has 5,000 inhabitants, but the greater area with the beautiful beaches and blue bays is very popular as a holiday destination. So we'll be exploring the town, but also the greater area.
In 1826, the British explorer Thomas Braidwood Wilson named the town after his colleague Alexander Denmark. We go straight to its top site, Greenspool.
Greenspool is situated on the edge of the William Bay National Park, and it's famous because of its turquoise greenish waters and large granite boulders. It's seriously one of the most beautiful places in all of Western Australia.
The coastal park with all those rocks looks like a natural water theme park.
From Greenspool is just a short walk to the Elephant Rocks, and over there the name says it all. Because with the right angle it really looks like a family of elephants chilling in the shallow waters.
Here you see best what they mean. It's always stunning to see how these places are pieces of art formed by nature.
The south of Western Australia is famous for the great wineries. From here all the way to Perth you'll find them along the way, and we stopped at one called Singlefire Winery. Not only because it's something you cannot skip when you're here in Denmark, but also because it's Suzy's birthday, and if there's someone that really likes wine, it's Suzy. So we're gonna have a great day, taste some wines, buy a bottle or two. Let's go!
WA has 20 wine regions with a total of 412 wineries. We drive to one of the very best ones, as the landscape already turns into that of a fairy tale. As a surprise, I took Suzy to this place to celebrate her 35th birthday. And it turned out to be a good decision, as we were welcomed with open arms in a really charming setting. We get to taste all sorts of wine. Sparkling, white, red.
They say it's summer in a bottle. It is.
And they even throw in some free cheese and crackers for our little birthday party. And of course, I bought Suzy some birthday presents as well.
Wow, I can honestly say that this was one terrific experience. I've been to some wineries before and to some wine tastings, but over here they really took the time. We could taste everything that we liked. It was all free, and of course they hope that you buy a bottle or two at the end, which we did, a red and a white, the best ones that we tasted. But so relaxed and so friendly. And yeah, I didn't drink too much because I still have to drive, just nipping. But Suze, yeah, she had some. She has a great birthday, all drunk, yeah.
We drive back to the coast where Thomas Braidwood Wilson discovered this place, now known as Wilson's Inlet. It reminds us a bit of Hill Inlet, on the other side of Australia at the Whitsunday Islands. Do you see what I mean?
The most popular beach in Denmark is Ocean Beach. It's just a few kilometers down south and you get to this beautiful view. The water is swirly with blue and white. It's perfect for swimming and also for surfing. It's amazing.
After the coastal wonders we witnessed in Esperance and Albany, Denmark totally delivered again. I think this is actually the #1 view on the south coast of Australia. It's like an artist's palette, where the blue and white paint have been playfully swirled around. At night we would like to celebrate with a birthday dinner, but in Denmark all restaurants are closed on Mondays. In the next village we do find a little place, and decide for that matter that tonight
It's pizza time! Whoa!
That's it for this episode, unfortunately, and also for our big lap in Australia. We did it all. We drove the west coast, the north coast, the east coast, and now the south coast, all the way to almost in Bunbury, where we started the last time, just beneath Perth. So we slept here next to this old train station in Bridgetown. We had a lovely night here and we're almost leaving, so I'll see you in the next episode. That will be Thailand.
But I wouldn't want to rob you from the final part of our big lap, as we drive on to Bunbury. Here we go.
I get this feeling, I wanna run away. Hit the highway and never look back. I wanna watch it fade away in the rear view mirror. Won't get lost cause I've been really off track. Lately been running, but I've not been going anywhere. I've been hiding without being
We we have a proper birthday dinner for Suzy.
It's taco time.
And we camp on the exact same spot that marked the beginning of our big lap, ages ago. On our way to deliver the campervan back in Perth, we end up at a really special free campsite at an old train station, which is something like an open-air museum full of old trains.
It's the last meal in Australia.
Yes!
And then we go to Thailand.
Yes!
Oh, darling.
In Jarrahdale, the final campsite gives us a proper goodbye, as many Australian animals come to greet us one last time.
With a heavy heart, it's time to say goodbye to our four-wheel drive camper van of WA Experts with 2 rooftop tents. And it's all tidied up. We had some laughs together, we shared some tears together, and we had some fun with the 5 of us. 5 of us, yes. But now it's time to say goodbye. I'm going to Thailand. But I'm gonna miss you so much. Room service.
So we are really leaving Australia for now. On to new adventures that await in Southeast Asia. Subscribe and always travel with us. Ciao!